Hello and welcome back to the channel. I really do hope you are all doing well. In today's video I am taking you to the local lake next to the forest. Absolutely amazing landscape, and we're also going to talk about grounding and stabilizing your energies and just some deep basic tips and tricks to really help you to ground. So I'm also linking and sourcing the article, beautiful article by Phylameana, Lila, and she describes grounding as a process which helps your body, it helps your physical body to connect to life-sustaining earth energies via its root chakra. So she says, because we are first and foremost spiritual beings, the physical body sometimes is ignored or gets neglected, and it's really important to respect and care for the container that houses our spirit during our life. She also goes on talking about various proven and tried and tested tools and techniques that really assist with your grounding. She goes on talking about grounding body scan, which she's tried herself. It's basically a grounding exercise that helps bring awareness back into balance. So it also helps to clear away a cluttered mind. It's an excellent tool in identifying physical stresses and upsets, and it has become her bedtime ritual. So absolutely amazing. And then she also goes on talking about and saying that pain can be so overwhelming on one part of the body that other imbalances of the body gets neglected, unfortunately. So the body scan is an exercise in assembling the larger hurts alongside the small details of stresses that you may otherwise have overlooked. Another way to help with grounding is to basically eat root vegetables. So some people say that eating meat, because of the protein, it really helps to keep them firmly grounded, and there are other non-meat foods that are also helping to ground the energies, and these are basically root vegetables. So anything from potatoes, radishes, onions, turnips, peanuts, carrots, beets, garlic, and many other root vegetables can really help with grounding. Another one is using and incorporating grounding gemstones. So for example, hematite, it's a great grounding tool to aid those who are kind of seeing themselves as floating or ungrounded. Other grounding gemstones also include obsidian, black tourmaline, ruby, red coral, and onyx. When we're also talking about grounding, it's really important to consider your root chakra, because your root chakra is the grounding force that allows you to connect to the earth's energies and empower your being. So root chakra affirmation, as indicated by the author here, is saying, my root chakra is deeply rooted. Another way to help with grounding is to visualize tree roots. So a common practice that's really used by healers to assist their clients who tend to be ungrounded and a bit spacey, is just to basically become more grounded, is to guide them through a simple visual meditation. And in that way they will ask the client to imagine being a tree. By imagining that you are extending your roots into the ground, your anxieties are lessened and you're able to better draw healing energies from the earth's source. Another way is to use red stockings or red socks, for example, because seeing the color red, it's also associated with the root chakra on your feet throughout the day, will serve as a reminder to bring your attention back to the physical body. And this is really helpful if you tend to ignore the fact that you are ungrounded, and red usually means to stop. It also means to dig down deep. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do let me know if you are interested in more grounding and tips and tricks videos. I'd love to do more on this topic, and I'll link the article in the description box below. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.